Sometimes, silence is power. Not every chapter of your life needs an audience. Not every dream needs validation. And not every pain deserves a public announcement. You see, we live in a world that tells you, share your journey, speak your truth, tell your story. But what if I told you that sometimes your strength grows in the shadows, not in the spotlight? You don't owe everyone your story. Because the moment you start explaining your pain, your goals, your failures, your next move, you invite opinions, judgments, and energy that can kill your focus before your dream even begins to breathe. Let me tell you something real. There's a difference between being understood and being exposed. And most people, they don't want to understand you. They just want something to talk about. When you tell the wrong people your dreams, they'll water them with doubt. When you tell them your struggles, they'll feed them with gossip. When you show them your progress, they'll measure it against their own insecurity. And suddenly, your dream, the one that was pure and personal, becomes contaminated by other people's energy. There's a reason lions hunt in silence. They don't announce their move. They don't roar before the attack. They stay low, focused, patient, and then strike. That's how greatness is built. Quietly. While no one's watching. While no one's clapping. While no one even knows you're still trying. You know why most people never achieve what they truly want? Because they talk more than they work. They seek validation before victory. They want applause before results. And when they don't get it, they stop. You don't need validation. You need discipline. You need grind. You need faith. Let me tell you a truth that might hurt. When you're truly focused, you'll feel lonely. Because isolation is where transformation happens. You'll lose friends who can't understand your silence. You'll confuse people who think success is loud. But that's okay. Because real power is quiet. Real growth doesn't need to prove anything. And real peace doesn't need an audience. There's a story I once heard. A man was planting a bamboo tree. He watered it every day for 1 year. Nothing. 2 years. Nothing. 3 years. Still nothing. People laughed at him. They said, "You're wasting your time." But he kept watering. In the 5th year, the bamboo shot up over 80 feet in just 6 weeks. Because all that time, it was growing roots. Strong, deep roots that no one could see. That's what silence does for you. It builds your roots, your foundation. So when it's time to rise, you rise strong. Stop trying to prove who you are. Start becoming who you are. The world doesn't need another loud voice talking about what they're going to do. It needs more quiet warriors who just do it. Let your work make the noise. Let your success tell the story. Let your silence protect your energy. You don't need to post every move on social media. You don't need to explain your pain to people who'll never feel it. You don't need to broadcast your every win. Because when it's real, people will see it. When it's time, people will know it. And when it's meant for you, nobody can stop it. Protect your peace. Protect your dream. Protect your story. Because not everyone deserves access to your inner world. Some people are lessons, not listeners. Some people are spectators, not supporters. And some people clap only when you're winning, not when you're working. So stay quiet when you're planning. Stay humble when you're growing. And stay grateful when you finally make it. Because one day, when your dream becomes real, when the noise around you fades, and when people say, "Where did you come from?" you'll smile and say, I was there the whole time. You just didn't hear me. Your silence was never weakness. It was your training ground. Your patience was never wasted time. It was your preparation. And your story? It doesn't need to be told to everyone. Because the right people, the ones meant for you, will feel it when it's time. Keep building, keep grinding, keep your story sacred until it's ready to inspire the world.